Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook chicken with air fryer. Preheat your air fryer to 200 degrees C, 390 degrees F. Pat the chicken dry, then season simply with salt, pepper, and a touch of oil. Arrange pieces in a single layer and cook until the internal temp reaches 75 degrees C, 165 degrees F. Flip once for even browning, rest the meat 5 minutes, and serve hot for a juicy, crispy result. Start with flavors that play well with high heat: salt, pepper, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. For boneless chicken, a 30-minute marinade adds lift, while overnight gives more depth if you have time. Lightly oil the skin or spray the surface to encourage crisping without adding too much fat. Keep seasoning simple so the air fryer can crisp the exterior while the interior stays tender and juicy. Timing varies by piece and thickness, so use a probe thermometer to hit 75 degrees C, 165 degrees F, internally. Bone and thighs often take 20 to 25 minutes at 200 degrees C, 390 degrees F, while boneless breasts usually need 10 to 15 minutes. Flip halfway for even color and check smaller pieces a few minutes early to avoid overcooking. Let chicken rest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.